This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Carole Lee. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath brick ranch-style home located on quiet cul-de-sac lot. Living room west/dining area, kitchen with stove, refrigerator, dishwasher. Separate laundry room, washer and dryer as is. Freshly painted inside and outside trim. Large fenced yard. Located in Lasalle Acres, a well-established neighborhood. Easy access to LAFB, schools, shopping and interstates. Come see. For more information, review the details below.